Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I thought I would talk about some of the things about the Crown Reef Resort and Waterpark hotel. So this is where we were staying. It's a really beautiful place. There's a total of 14 floors. It is located in Myrtle Beach. So first I thought we would talk about the hotel itself. As I mentioned, there are 14 floors. There are 3 different towers to this resort. It does have a couple of pools. It has a lazy river. It also has a couple of little heated pools. There also is some cabanas that you all can rent out. It also includes lots of variety of space, as well as chairs. It also, you have to wear wristbands in order to get in the pool and go out to the beach. You can get your hair braided while you are there at a braiding station. You also can get Ricciardi's Italian ice in the different flavors that you guys see here. It is $6 a cup, and that does include tax, and you may also give tips. There are about a few of these steps that lead out into the beach. It also has a water station for you to wash off shoes, feet, or anything else. And there's also a full shower if you would like to wash off before you come back into the resort. It is waterfront, so that does mean that there are really great amenities as far as just being able to go downstairs to the ground floor and head straight out into the beach. Also, there are chairs and umbrellas set up for you before 7 o'clock in the morning, first come first serve type of thing. At the pool, there is no lifeguard on duty. It is basically swim at your own risk. Let's talk about inside the hotel. Inside the hotel, there is 3 inner tubes that will take you down to the ground floor. It is where you can just slide down. They are slide through tubes. Really fun and cool to get in and go down. There's also the Waterpark where the kiddos can just run up and splash and play in some water. And the water is on from 9 a.m. to 11 at night. So the pool is open from 9 to 11 as well. The beach, you can stay out there as long as you please. A lot of people love to enjoy the beach first thing in the morning, and they also love to enjoy it late at night, ghost crabbing. Inside of the hotel, there are a total of 3 towers. The first thing we can talk about is the fact that there is a restaurant located inside of the resort, which is called Loco Gecko, and it has really great food, and it does not take long if you would like to order food and take it back up to the room. The prices are great. The food menu is even better. Located on the same floor as the restaurant is a self-serve drink and snack and mini beach or pool area where you can just scan your items yourself. You are on camera, so if you don't pay for something, it will see you and you're on camera, so you might want to pay for yourself. Also, if you go down the hall, there's the arcade game room where you can play different type of games and arcades, games all in one area. You can get tickets for those games and then you turn them in for prizes. If you go right past that, there is a grab-and-go breakfast buffet, and you definitely want to check with the hotel before you come to see if you need to pay for that ahead of time. I think that it is $18.75 for adults, and it is about $9.95 for kids. There's also a laundry facility here where if you wanted to wash your clothes before you go back home, you can easily purchase detergent here to do your laundry and just put it to the side, and you don't have to worry about it when you get back home. So detergent is available for purchase here. It is open, I think, from about 6 to 10:30 at night. 6 a.m. to 10:30 at night, that is. And then there's also a fitness center that is open from 6 a.m. to 10:30 at night as well. And they have a lot of great things here that you guys can continue to work out with if you're on a fitness journey. Also, you can do some running on the beach. So when talking about checking in, you don't come and just park in the parking lot here at the hotel. You have to park across the street at the conference center in order to be able to check in first, and then you drive over here to the resort. So never think that you can just come over here and park, because you do not know which tower you will be in. Parking is one of the cons of not knowing. So because we were on the 9th floor and we had to park in Tower 2. So that means that when we parked in Tower 2, we were located on floor 3 to get on the elevator and go up to the 9th floor. So just be cautious about like where you park. Make sure you ask questions before you leave the welcome center across the street. So the hotel also has like places that you guys can sit at if you're waiting on your food from the hotel, or if you just want to come out and chill out down there and play like some card games, or do anything, bring your family to sit and chill, watch the beach. It's totally up to you. It's just a cool little secluded area. The elevators are not the best. They do take forever, if you ask me. I would just say if you're going up or down, get on it regardless of whether it's going where it's going. That way you're guaranteed to be on it and not have to wait much longer. And there's only 2 working elevators at the moment. I think that they'll eventually work on the 3rd one, but it's no telling. So inside of each room, they are trying to make these into more like condos. So if you stay here soon, they have started renovating within the last 7 months to make it to where each room has a kitchen, an extra room. Each room comes with 2 chairs on your balcony and a table. It also comes with a broom to brush the sand. Each room comes with plenty of towels. Housekeeping was nice enough to come through with all of the towels that we need each day. They also came through each day and got our trash. You also can leave your trash outside of the door. And you also can leave your towels and washcloths and stuff like that outside the door. Also, because we had a kitchen here, they did give us a little small sample of the palm olive, and they also gave us 1 washcloth and 1 hand towel. So that was really great, especially like if your kids are eating at restaurants here in Myrtle Beach and they bring back Frisbees from their meals, you can easily just wash them off here and set them to the side. Or if you go to the Crazy Mason milkshake bar, when you bring your Masons back, you can easily wash them out and set them out to dry. So if you are staying here and you're getting one of these rooms with a kitchen, just know that it comes with the stove, microwave, refrigerator, and plenty of cabinets for you to put snacks in. We just put ours on top of the stove and over in the corner, versus putting them in the cabinet, which we should have done, but it is what it is. Overall, it's a really great resort to stay at. I definitely, at 10 out of 10, would recommend you to stay here as well. What I will say is definitely book ahead of time, and it seems like there's always a vacancy here for sure. So It seems like there's not a vacancy, but there definitely is.
And here we are, the final room tour. When you walk through, there are 2 double beds. There's also a lamp along with a dresser and a clock. This has a dresser where you can pull it out, put clothes in, shoes on another side. It also comes with 2 room cards. The room does have a TV in it along with a safe and a place to put belongings. In the kitchen area, it is a full kitchen that has a sink, microwave, stove, refrigerator, and freezer. It also comes with a little bottle of Palmolive where you guys can wash dishes. There's a half bath where it is a little tight space, but that is a-okay. It worked. It had a toilet and a tub along with some towels, washcloths, hand towels, and other things like that. It also came with a hair blow dryer that's already attached in the wall you can use, soap and shampoo if you wanted to by Drift, and then the sink is gorgeous. This was one of the most favorite parts of mine in this hotel room, or resort room I should say. Like I said, plenty of towels and hand towels and stuff like that. There is tile throughout the entire resort room. You also have an ironing board, an iron, and a place for storage over here along with a broom and some hangers. And there is a door right here that's going to close this room off right here, which is a second room, to the other room and to the kitchen. It is a room where it does have a dresser, it does have a phone, TV, a place to eat at with 4 chairs total. Each TV did come with a remote, and then here is the extra bed and a pull-out sofa. So this room really could sleep about 8 people. There definitely was plenty lighting in the room, and I can say that being on the 9th floor, nobody could see anything even if we kept the curtains open. Here's our balcony view from the room, and so as you can see, will be oceanfront. Out on the balcony, there are 2 chairs and a table, and this is what we use mostly to air dry our stuff that we use down at the beach or down at the pool. Just go ahead and unlock it and open it, and oh my god, the sound is amazing.
This is the pool area. So I hope that you all enjoyed getting to know a little bit more about the Crown Reef Resort and Waterpark Hotel. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video out to other people who would love to come and visit Myrtle Beach, as this is a really great place to come.